Hello kids, in this video we will learn about different types of lines. So let's start, but first if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Now let's start. These lines are curved lines. So you have to reach this butterfly to its home. So let's start. This is curved line. Curved line. These are curved lines. Now I have another sheet. In this sheet we will learn about the slipping lines. See, there is a caterpillar and apple. You have to make this caterpillar to reach the apple. And this is a ladder. You have to complete these lines. These are slipping lines. So let's start. These are slipping lines. These are slipping lines. Now I have this sheet also. This is curved lines. These are curved lines. So let's start tracing the lines. It looks like upside down U, letter U. Letter U. It looks like letter U. Upside down letter U. Or you can say M. Letter M. Small letter M. This is another curved line. This is looks like capital C, letter C. See, in this way you have to trace. This is curved lines. These are curved lines, smaller C. Curved lines. This is another C, smallest C. These are curved lines. Now let us go to another sheet. This is standing line. It comes under straight line. It is a standing line. This is a butterfly. You have to make this butterfly to reach the flower. So let's start tracing the line so that butterfly can reach the flower. These are standing line. Standing line. Let us go for another sheet. This is slant line, or you can say slanting line. See, there are so many clouds and these are droplets. Let us trace these lines. This is a line. This is slanting line. Let us trace these lines. These are slanting lines. It comes under straight lines. It is a type of straight line. It is a slanting line, slanting lines. Now let us go for another sheet. This is shapes. There are so many dots. You have to connect these dots to make a shape. So let's start. What is the name of this shape? This is square. And this is triangle. It has 3 sides and the square has 4 sides. Let us count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides. And these dots are the corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. In this triangle, we have 3 corners. Let us count. 1, 2, 3. 3 corners. This is square. Square has 4 sides, 4 vertices and 4 angles, and all sides are equal. Now this is rectangle. Now connect these dots. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 lines. Rectangle has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides and 4 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. This is, let us connect the dot first, then let us see what shape it is. It is circle. Circle. Circle has no sides. It is a 2D shape. It is a 2D shape. Now this is triangle. This is triangle. Triangle has 3 sides, 3 vertices, 3 angles, and it is a 2D shape. Now connect these dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 side, 2 side, 3 side and 4 side. 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 angles and 4 vertices. This is a rectangle. You can see the opposite sides are equal. This is equal to this and this side is equal to this side. This is a rectangle. This is a circle. These are 2D shapes. Square, square, triangle, triangle, rectangle, rectangle, circle, circle. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.